Okay, again, don't mind how I look, but this is part 2 of freezing my squishies. I added the fuzzball because I forgot to put it in with all the other ones. So let's get started. Starting with the jellyfish. It's like rock hard. Okay, next the mini swirl. This whole side over here is like literally like there's nothing on it. Okay, it felt like weird for a second. There's like little hard pieces in it. But like now it's just kind of back to normal. Like it's like it's like I don't know how to explain it. Okay, next one is the duck, and this one didn't like fully like freeze, but like still. Oh, it had a really good crunch. Okay, next one is the bread, and it actually is like kind of hard. So like, okay, it did nothing. It's just cold. It's a little bit harder too. Next one we have is the beaded homemade one. And then we have another homemade, like the cream one. Okay, next the color changing. Like I said, I added the fuzzball, so let's do it. Okay, last but not least, the cheese. My favorites are the duck and the fuzzball. Bye.